An auto restart occurred after a few print. At first, check SC history to guess the problem. Reset 806182 C-long press. System SP 7 data log. (7403) SC history. Code 204-00 is latest SC history. Other history is also 204-00. But solutions of .service manual is wrong. Yes, sometimes SC204-00 is showing. Turn main power off. Open right cover and transfer unit. Open front cover. Unlock these two locks. Pull and remove ITB unit. SC204-00 is comes if this earthing is not touching with steel roller properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. After removing 4 screws. Remove 3 screws to remove this part. 1, 2, 3. After removing 3 screws. Now remove 3 screws from each side. After removing 3 screws from front side. Now rotate ITB unit. Remove 3 screws from this side. After removing 3 screws. Press earthing plate like this way and bend it slightly. Put back ITB cleaning unit. Close 3 screws. I also found a broken part. Its name is stopper, intermediate, transfer. Need to replace it. Close 3 screws in front side of ITB unit. Put back this part and close 3 screws. Put back this cover and 2 locks, then close 4 screws. Now, I will replace the stopper. To rotate the stopper position, I rotate the lock. ITB unit is ready now. Reinstall ITB unit to the machine. Unlock 2 locks and close the front cover. Close the right cover and turn main power on. Printing, but error is not showing. Device is ready now. Thank you for watching.